So hey everyone, you are watching Aditya and the Ambrose Academy of English. Hope you all are well and will get prosperity in your life. Myself Aditya, and in this video I am going to cover many things related to entrepreneurship. In this video I'll cover the things like who is entrepreneur, what is the work of entrepreneur with a great example of Elon Musk, and what are the qualities we need to become a good entrepreneur. So the first question people ask me that who is entrepreneur? So the answer is very simple. An entrepreneur is a person who find problem around him and find the solution in creative manner and serve the people at minimum cost. This is the meaning of entrepreneur, and I will tell you more, I will explain you more carefully in the further. And the second question people ask me that is what is the work of entrepreneur? So the answer is simple. The work of entrepreneur is that they keep growing their company by their creativity and by their motivation and their ideas. And I will want to give you an example of Elon Musk, why he is the one of the most genius kind of entrepreneur in this world. So I find in him that when he see we are wasting our rockets, because we create a rocket that go to outside of the earth at space and stay there, and he thought that why we do not create reusable rockets. Then he opened his company SpaceX, where he create reusable rockets, and he see that the people wasting their resources like coal and petroleum, we are wasting that by taking as a fuel, and he see the problem and create the Tesla motors, where he create electrical vehicle. And he see the peoples are wasting their time on the traffic, so he introduced the boring company, in which he create underground tunnels for reducing the traffic. So these are the qualities an entrepreneur has too, because we see that he find a problem, then a solution, and serve it at very minimum cost. And now I am going to cover that what are the qualities we need to become an entrepreneur. The people often ask me that please tell us what are the qualities we need to become a good entrepreneur. So the first quality is entrepreneur must be very motivated. So why I choose this? Because we all are motivated, but an entrepreneur has to become more motivated about the things happening around him. Because whenever he go to his company, if he work for 10 hours, so he do not expect that their colleagues also do the work for 10 hours. They can expect that if I am working for 10 hours, so my employee can work for 5 hours. I learned this from the Bhagavad Gita, where the Krishna telling the Arjun is that if you are doing the work for 10 hours or 12 hours, so don't expect that your employee also do that. Your your colleagues also do the work for just 5 hours. It is the half of your work. Whatever you are giving to your employees is that you work for 10 hours, so they will work for 5 hours. This is the simple formula of the good leadership. And where I also understand that the peoples are motivated can motivate the others. If you are motivated, you should also motivate your employee to do the work and keep growing the company. If you are very motivated, so you can motivate your employees and they will work hard to improve your company and you have a good profit. And the next is creativity. Creativity is very important in a leadership, in a good entrepreneur, because the creativity means that you have a creative mind, that you can do a work at minimum cost with your creativity. If we are saying something that is a kind of take an example of Elon Musk. He see the batteries are too costly, we have to pay 10 rupees for one battery and we need a lot of batteries. So he don't think that he see his creativity and say that we can assemble carbon and those things and we can create our own batteries. He is very creative. So it must that you want to become entrepreneur, so it must you are so creative. And the next is risk taker. Risk is very important in our life, but I want to give you something is that don't take risk where you did not get profit. This is the simple formula of life, that always take risk where you find profit. What if that you are taking a risk that you don't get anything? If you are getting a few, if your chances is of 10%, so take the risk, because risk taker is the life changer and he can transform his life very easily. So always take risk about the things. Risk is so important in our life, so take risk. And the fourth is vision. Vision is must be in an entrepreneur. He think he have a good strategy about the things. If I am planning to grow my company, it must that I create a assemble strategy. First I do this, then this, then this. So this is called as a business plan, we can say that. And the vision is so clear. If you know that why we are humans are more than an artificial intelligence, because artificial intelligence cannot imagine new ideas. Because we can say that artificial intelligence are doing the things they are doing, but we can imagine much more than the artificial intelligence, and we can create many things. So have a vision, have a imagination, what is your company be in the future. So these are the qualities which is very important for an entrepreneur. I hope you understand my words, and I hope that you will also implement in your entrepreneurship, leadership and those things. So